What's up YouTube, JMOS here, and today I'm going to talk about iOS 11.3.1 and why Apple released this firmware out of nowhere. iOS 11.3.1 was an unexpected release by Apple. It was released yesterday, April 24th, 2018. That would be a Tuesday. The software addresses an iPhone 8 issue when a screen repair was done by a third-party source. The iPhone 8 would not respond to touch. Apple addressed the issue, but does caution that using third-party displays is not good, and that they recommend sticking to the genuine Apple displays for the best iPhone experience. Apple addressed a bunch of security vulnerabilities and bugs in this firmware as well. The vulnerabilities have to do with jailbreaking, so if you plan to jailbreak, I would stay off of this firmware and stay on iOS 11.3. Some of the bugs they patch have to do with UI glitches and some other issues that found within iOS. And that's pretty much it for this firmware. All of the major changes like iMessage in the cloud and AirPlay 2 are expected to launch with iOS 11.4, which is currently in beta, and will release hopefully sometime in May. Anyways, if you like what you heard, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.